Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the savory popcorn bucket in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event, and in this event you can cook any limited food. One of them is savory popcorn bucket like this. And to cook this food, you need a popcorn serving cart that you can craft it by yourself at the workbench. And if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just check the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then next, after you have the popcorn serving cart, you can just start cook the savory popcorn bucket. Just use the recipe, and then in here you need any mushroom, and then next you need one corn, and then you also need to butter like this. Just complete all the ingredients, and once the all ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking like this. Just cooking the popcorn like this, and then okay, the savory popcorn bucket is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.